Hey guys, how are you? It's Mike again. Today we're just going to show you installation of shutters. They're somewhat easy. If you do them a few times, what we're looking for is making sure we're squared up in our window opening. Something to do when you're installing, just to make it a little easier on yourself. I've set up everything we need for this install. Our hinge plates, hinge pins, screws we need, and magnets. Just makes the job a little more efficient, so when you go from room to room, you're not stopping your flow of install. So now what we're going to do is we're going to actually start installing. Let's sit there, and then what we want to do, put a pencil mark, and that's going to be the placement of our first hinge. So what I like to do is I put the bottom one on, so that way I don't have it shaking loose. Okay, so now that we have the right panel nicely secured, what we're going to do is we're going to put our left panel. So again, what we're going to do, we mark our hinge, we're going to bring it back down and repeat the process. Actually, if you come with me, you'll see what we did in the other room. Okay, so here we have the exact same window size and opening, 2 panels. Again, with that lip covering, you can actually get it either on the right side or the left. Open it right up. And there you go, and then you pull it. And what we have is a mechanism to make sure that they stay in place is we have our magnet plates on the panels. So usually we like to put the light up and away from hardwood floors, so no discoloration.